Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous class, already we have solved one problem based on the location of Q1 and Q3 form of ogives. So in this video, we are going to know about the same topic, ogives, less than ogive and more than ogive. But in this problem, they are given information in the form of inclusive series. So let us see the problem. Draw less than and more than ogives to the following frequency distribution. Class 19 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49. Next, they are given frequencies. These clauses, they are given in the form of inclusive class intervals. Generally, in the previous problem, we have solved so many problems. So they are given 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. That type of class interval is called as exclusive class intervals. So in this problem, they are given 90 to 24. Next, they are given 25. If you get a 24.8, we can't identify in here. That is the intention. Inclusive class interval problems, we have to convertible into a exclusive class interval. And that time, we should apply the correction factor. We already know how to apply the correction factor. There is a formula. So in this graphically solution, no need to write formulas and all. When we have to applying the correction factor, we will get the value is 0.5. Always when we are applying the correction factor, always we will get the value is 0.5. So we already know about that. So that 0.5, so we have to less for lower limit and we have to add for upper limit. We have to do all the process. We have to do the process for all the class intervals. So we have to follow all the steps. So lower limit, the 0.5 we have to less from lower limit. The 0.5 we have to add for upper limit. So lower limit we have to less, upper limit we have to add the correction factor. Okay students, on that time the conversion inclusive class intervals will be convertible into a exclusive class intervals. Okay students, let us solve. Solution for this, always correction factor will come 0.5 only. So lower limit we have to less, upper limit we have to add, and that time automatically the inclusive class interval problem will be convertible into a exclusive class intervals. Okay students, let us know how to convert. They are given information classes and frequency 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay students, first class interval 19 is the lower limit. The 0.5 we have to less. 19.0.5, 19 minus 0.5 we will get 18.5. 24 is the upper limit we have to add 0.5, we have to add 24.5. Same like that. Next class interval 25 is the lower limit we have to less. 25 minus 0.5 we will get 24.5. Next 29 is the upper limit, 29 plus 0.5, 29.5. Next 30. 30 is the lower limit in this class interval. 30 minus 0.5, 29.5. 34 plus 0.5, 34.5. Next 35 minus 0.5, 34.5. 39 plus 0.5, 39.5. Next 40 minus 0.5, 39.5. 44 plus 0.5, 44.5. Next 45 minus 0.5, 44.5. 49 plus 0.5, 49.5. Okay students, this is the way of conversion inclusive class interval to exclusive class interval. On the time we should apply the correction factor. Okay, next frequencies same, 17, 25, 40, 23, 12, 8. In this problem we have to draw a less than and more than ogive both. Less than and more than ogive both we have to solve. Okay students, first if you want to draw a less than ogive, first we should identify the LCF. If you want to draw a more than ogive, next we have to identify the MCF. LCF and MCF is most important for draw a less than and more than ogives. Students, first LCF. LCF means less than cumulative frequencies. Less than cumulative frequencies. If you want to draw a less than ogive, we need a LCF. First frequency we have to write as it is 17. Next 17 plus 25. 17 plus 25 will get 42. Next 42 plus 40 will get 82. 82 plus 23 will get 105. 105 plus 12 will get 117. 117 plus 8, 125. This is the way of identifying the LCF. We have to add frequencies one by one. Next MCF. If you want to identify MCF, the LCF last value we should write first. LCF last value is 125. Later we have to less. Frequencies we have to less. 125 minus 17. 125 minus first frequency 17, we have to less. 125 minus 17 we will get 108. 108 minus 25 we will get 83. 83 minus 40 we will get 43. 43 minus 23, 20. 20 minus 12, 8. Okay students, this is way of identifying the LCF and MCF. So after the identifying the LCF and MCF, next we have to draw a ogive. We can use two axes, x axis and y axis. X axis and y axis. X axis, y axis. X axis is considering the class, y axis they are considering the frequencies, indication of frequencies. Okay, in x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units because of there is a difference between the one class interval to another 5. I will take 5 units. In y axis there is a huge difference because of MCF and LCF both we have to cover. 125 is the maximum, minimum is 17. So I will take 1 centimeter is equal to 20 units. Based on the given information we have to take here units. 1 centimeter we have to identify here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay students, 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Here 1 unit is equal to 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. Okay, first we have to identify the LCF. If you want to draw a LCF, we required upper limits. So 24.5 in the first class interval, the upper limit is 24.5. So in 24.5 will come here. 24.5 it will come here. So 24.5 will come here. So the value of frequency is 17. So 17 will come here. Next, coming to the next class interval, the upper limit is 29.5. The LCF is 42. 29.5 will come here. The LCF is 42. Next, coming to the next class interval, 34.5. So if you want to draw a less than OG, we have to select upper limits. Based on the upper limits, we have to locate the LCF. So 34.5 will come here. So the LCF is 82. Next, 39.5, the LCF is 105. Next, 44.5, the LCF is 117. Next, 49.5, the LCF is 125. So next we have to draw a LCF. This is called as an LCF. Next we have to draw a MCF. If you want to draw a MCF, based on the lower limit, we are identifying the MCF. The lower limit in first 18.5 will come here. So the value is 125. For MCF is 125. Next one is 24.5. 24.5 will come here. Lower limits we have to select. Okay students, 24.5, the value is 24.5, the value is in MCF 108. Next, coming to the next one, 29.5, the MCF is 83. Coming to the next, 34.5, the MCF is 43. Next, coming to the 39.5, the MCF is 20. Next, 44.5, the MCF is 8. Next we have to draw this one. In this problem, they are not asking about identifying the or locate the median. If you are identifying, they are asking locate the median, the connection of LCF and MCF. This connection is called as a median. In this problem, they are not asking about the median or Q1 or Q3. So this is the solution. That's it. This is called as an MCF, more than cumulative frequency, means more than OG. This is called as an less than OG. This is the solution for this problem. That's it. In this problem, no need to identifying any median or Q1 or Q3. Okay students, thank you to all, and all problems you have to practice, exercise problems also you have to practice. If you get any doubts, so call and ask or message me in WhatsApp. Okay students, thank you to all.